Brussels to Amsterdam part of the trip. It was a honeymoon, but about 4 or 5 days ago, Laura decided she's a solitary creature, and I'm just excess baggage at this point. She's taken to drinking heavily anytime after 12, eating cookies. She was concerned that the wine had fermented, which indicates she had probably started drinking before this bottle. So, oh, let's not forget the Belgian countryside, which evidently there's a cathedral-like thing out that window, which is prettier. Block now. There we go. We're in, where are we going?